Hi guys, let's style my hair together. So first and foremost, I'm using the heat protectant with argan oil. This is by Garnier Fructis and it gives you 48 hours protection. Then I'm using my Dyson Airwrap. Using the dryer setting to just 90% dry my hair. And then once it's dry, I'm using the smoothing brush and smoothing everything out to ensure कि at least सारा frizz और curl जो है वो बालों से निकल जाए. I fast forwarded this video, but usually it takes me 10 minutes to do all of this. And then 5 more minutes to curl my hair, but it feels like a workout. Next, I'm using the Wow Raise the Roots spray. It's actually very good अगर आपको अपने roots के अंदर volume डालना है और जब आप इस spray को 90% dry कर लें तो फिर आप अपने बालों को upwards pull करें with the Dyson barrel brush और ऊपर pull कर करके dry करें. And once you have your hair at that stage, it's ready to be styled. I get my hair at this stage, which is sort of dry, sort of straight, not exactly. That's when I will start doing my faux fake blowout kind of a situation. तो पहले तो हमें डिसाइड करना है कि हमें साइड पार्टिंग चाहिए कि नहीं. एक्चुअली आई डू वांट अ साइड पार्टिंग बिकॉज दिस इज़ अ 90s sort of a look. I wanted to do the 90s eye, so why not just also do the 90s hair. I will be using my Dyson for this. And पहले तो आपने straight जहाँ जहाँ से नहीं हुए हुए वहाँ से आपको बस straight करना है. You can use like a comb for this. Ideally you should be using a comb, but I don't know. I don't really do my hair. Okay, I do my hair all the time, or over time I've gotten better at it. लेकिन मैंने कभी इतनी वो नहीं I don't know, इतनी साइंस नहीं लगाई बालों के पीछे. The best thing that I have done for my hair though is that I got a Dyson. Actually, my husband got me the Airwrap and I got the straightener for myself. Because normally ऐसे मुझे लगता था कि हाँ Remington यूज़ कर लो, Cloud9 भी मेरे पास है, Cloud9 यूज़ कर लो या कुछ भी यूज़ कर लो, it doesn't damage the hair. But unless I got, like until I got hooked onto the Dyson, I didn't realize what a game changer it is for hair. वैसे यहाँ पे बाल इतने गिरते हैं तो जितने बाल हैं सर पे उनका थोड़ा ख्याल ही रख लें. Okay. So pretty much थोड़े से smooth हुए हैं बाल. Now what I'm going to do from here is हमने एक section लेना है and इसको smooth out करना है, turn करना है, बिल्कुल end से curl करना है. That's it, just the ends. Again छोटा section लेना है, smooth out करना है, end से curl करना है, just end से. So then you keep on going with this process and turning the curls on opposite ends. So one you'll do left and the other you'll do right. That would just give you a nice volume onto your hair. And you keep going like that and make sure to concentrate on the ends. अगर कुछ even नहीं भी है तो it's okay. Slightly curled is also fine. It gives a more natural look. And you keep on going, and typically it just takes like 5 to 6 minutes to do this. Problem here also was that my Dyson was not really charged, so itne अच्छे curls नहीं थे, but it was fine because once you let it cool it looks better. From the front you have to make sure your curl is loose and it's going on the opposite end, not on the end that you are curling towards. And then you have to let your hair sit there for a while. Let the curl cool down and open up a little bit so that it gives you a better look. And if there are any edged pieces that are falling apart like this, go ahead and curl them as well. और फिर उसके बाद आपने अपने बालों को ठंडा होने देना है पहले, like until and unless they're completely cool. Don't spray them or do anything with them, because otherwise it will impact the volume and everything that you've already worked on in your hair. Similarly on the other side, curling on the opposite end and trying to curl a little bit upward so that the hair looks like it has some volume. if you know what I mean. थोड़ा सा ऊपर की तरफ जो है वो अपना curl push करें. And then once your hair is at this stage, you let everything cool down. Then after your hair has cooled down, what I like to do is run my fingers through my hair and push my roots upwards, and then pick up pieces from my hair, push them upwards, and then spray them into place so that it looks like my hair is thicker than usual. You have to wait for your hair to cool down a little bit, and your curls also open up a little bit as you wait. And that's about it. That's how I get my blowout situation, sort of inspired by the 90s but not really the 90s, to do. As you can see, लेफ़्ट राइट करने से जो है वो थोड़े से बालों में जो है वो वॉल्यूम आ जाती है. And the wow spray in this is actually a game changer because it really lifts the root up. और यहाँ पे obviously मेरे बाल गिरते भी बहुत हैं, and there is not a lot of volume in the lift. But I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe. See you guys next time.